Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're interested in learning how to use the Robinhood app for trading, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through how to use Robinhood to start buying stocks, ETFs, options, and even crypto, all from your phone. First, let's get started by downloading the Robinhood app from the App Store or Google Play. Once it's installed, open the app and sign up by entering your personal information. You'll need to provide some basic details like your name, address, and social security number to verify your identity. Don't worry, this is just a standard part of setting up a trading account. After your account is set up, you'll be taken to the home screen where you can see your portfolio and watch list. The layout is clean and easy to navigate. To start browsing stocks or crypto, simply tap on the search bar at the top and type in the name of the company or cryptocurrency you're interested in. Once you've found something you want to invest in, tap on it for more details. You'll see things like the current price, price history, and other important data. To buy shares, tap the trade button and then select buy. You can enter the number of shares you want to purchase and set your order type, whether it's a market order or limit order. When you're ready, just swipe up to submit your order. Robinhood is commission-free, so you won't pay any fees for buying or selling stocks, which is great for beginners looking to get into trading without worrying about extra costs. Now let's talk about options and crypto. Robinhood makes it super easy to trade options, so if you're interested in options trading, you can switch over to that section of the app. You can also buy and sell popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more in just a few taps. One of the coolest features of Robinhood is the instant deposit feature. This means that once your account is set up and linked to your bank account, you can deposit funds and start trading right away, without having to wait for your transfer to clear. Lastly, don't forget to take advantage of Robinhood's educational resources. They offer guides, tips, and tutorials to help you understand the basics of investing and make smarter decisions when trading. That's all for today's guide on how to use the Robinhood app. Whether you're new to investing or just want a more beginner-friendly platform, Robinhood makes it simple and accessible. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more investing tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy investing!